Hello, Mayor John Tory here. I'm pleased to help acknowledge Recovery Day because it both recognizes the efforts of those who have recovered and those who are recovering, and it brings them hope. I don't know how many people realize we have two major public health crises on our hands, COVID-19 of course, and an opioid overdose epidemic. Problematic substance use is a health issue and needs to be treated as such. It affects hundreds and hundreds of individuals and families from all different walks of life. It is preventable and treatable, yet for decades it has not received its proportionate share of health care funding for chronic disease. And that is at least in part because we just don't talk about it. Problematic substance use needs to be met with compassion, with harm reduction, with treatment, and with support. A criminal record actually doesn't help. We are offering that support and saving lives today in ways we wouldn't have done in the past. That includes safe consumption sites, which have saved hundreds of lives in this city alone, and more recently, safe supply initiatives, which will also save lives. As we move more in the direction of harm reduction and putting people in a position to recover, we will continue to be called upon to think about this challenge in different ways. Recovery is not just abstinence. It includes those who are moving away from problematic substance use towards wellness. Those who choose to recover out loud bring hope to others and are important role models for those who are still struggling, especially our youth. And so today we celebrate those starting or continuing their daily journey to wellness. It's hard work, and you all deserve to be well and to know peace. And that is why we are marking Recovery Day 2020. And I hope the recognition of the day itself brings hope and a feeling of support to all those who have recovered and those in recovery. And now I'd like to read the official proclamation day of Recovery Day 2020. Whereas today is a day to recognize the stigma attached to substance abuse disorders and raise awareness and celebrate those in our community who have recovered from addiction. Recovery can be a long and difficult journey. Today is a day to raise awareness about how addictions affect lives, the path to recovery, and to support for those still living with addictions. The City of Toronto supports organizations and individuals committed to raising awareness about diseases, conditions, and illnesses that affect all Canadians. Through education, fundraising, and support, the health and well-being of our communities are improved. Now, therefore, I, Mayor John Tory, on behalf of Toronto City Council, do hereby proclaim September 28, 2020 as Recovery Day in the City of Toronto. Thank you.